Alright guys, so today the only thing we are taking with us is a GoPro on a stick and a waterproof fanny pack. Also boys and girls, don't get too comfortable with the audio quality because we will now be switching to the GoPro. Hola.
Hola. So,
see you later. I love this hat. Let's go. Ja, alles. From here we are running, but I also need my boots now. I forgot my water, so I'm allowed to have maybe 4 or 5 caps of those during the trip. Let's go to the cave. Should I leave the cap here? Leave it here. Check it out guys. I'm a cave explorer now. Let's go to the cave. We're doing the long way. Cavern 5. I think this is what we will be going now. And they all have to pee. Pathetic. I think I will take the GoPro on the helmet. Yeah, wait a second, I will put the GoPro up there. You won't see me for some time now. Das nicht? Bist so dumm. So dumm.
Hey, Scheiße!
So dumm, Scheiße. Ah, it's inside there. We will get it. Holy shit, is this narrow. How deep ist es?
Richtig. Wir gehen vielleicht 10 Meter oder so mehr.
Very slowly. Bro.
Ja, mach ich.
Oh. Okay, wait. Okay, let's go.
Sehe alles, ja, passt. Bleib noch kurz da.
Ja.
Steht jetzt schon fest.
Okay.
Ja. Nein, lass doch nicht die Wasser in Pussy. Ich kipp mir gleich in die Dusche. Also Angst vor.
Ich läuft dir gleich. Jo, ist das tief! Alter! Meine Stiefel sind komplett voll mit Wasser. Well, alright, so we are getting very wet now. Holy fuck!
Motherfucker!
This looks like a fucking mine in Minecraft. Oh. So those caves are 70,000 years old. Okay.
Sei vorsichtig mit euch. Besonders mit den Beinen. Sie kann mein Fan, das ist gut für euch, kein Problem. Ich muss es aufpassen, richtig. Wir schaffen es.
What the fuck? Holy shit! Maybe there's the exit. A little bit high. Can I use the rope?
Ja, kannst du. Alle halten diese Leine.
I guess I will leave the GoPro now in my hand to climb, so I don't die. Wait, how do I get out? Yo!
Da ist eine Spinne, eine große.
Freedom aus!
Da ist eine riesige Spinne und die kann springen.
Whoop. So we cannot go there because a tree collapsed on the way. We have to find another way now. You can really hear the river now. A stage 4 river regarding like the currents. So you can... I am stuck. Oh. Wow. So you can kayak there, but it's really dangerous, so you have to be really good. And they had like an English guy who died because he like fell out of the kayak and okay, only in the middle. Yeah. Yo. Okay, this is the place we can swim. That's holy. Mare. Holy shit! What the fuck? Holy shit! So if you go in here, you're basically dead.
Diese Fenster hat Material rein.
Es ist wirklich tief genug. Ja. Ja, warte! Oh, you fucking... Oh. He's always doing the most stupid shit you can imagine. Bye bye. Let's get some maggots. Maggots. So this is the best spot to get maggots. One for everyone. Yeah. So we also eat ants now, in addition to maggots.
Du isst nicht genau, okay, verstehe. Alle Bär essen alles.
Those are the ants. Oh my fuck.
Was ist das?
Ameisen.
Das sind doch keine Ameisen.
Doch, kannst du essen.
I'm not sure if I'm ready for this.
Nur Proteine von Dschungel.
Ah, that's actually really good. But can you eat the legs too? Yeah, it's not too bad. The ants are approved. You just shouldn't like think about the fact that there's ants. You should just take it and eat it. No, it's good. Right. It's fine. It's like popcorn. They are so big, it's unbelievable. I can really imagine like eating those like at the cinema. When you watch a movie and you get like a box of ants, for example.
Box of ants.
The maggots arrived.
Lang zum
The
Kauen.
ants were better.